What's up, guys, and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here we have this algebra question and we want to solve for the value of n. So right here, guys, let's get started. So we have this to be 2 raised to the power of n plus, now 4 can be expressed in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of n, plus 8 can be expressed in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of n, and this is equals to what? 39. But from exponential property, if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this can also be expressed as a raised to the power of n or raised to the power of m. So expressing this, we have 2 raised to the power of m plus 2 raised to the power of m or raised to the power of 2 plus 2 raised to the power of m or raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to what? 39. So at this point, we want to say, suppose that t is equals to 2 raised to the power of m, then we have this to be t plus t squared plus t raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to what? 39. So at this point, we want to simply rearrange it. So we have that t plus t squared plus t raised to the power of 3. If this comes this way, we have minus 39, and this is equals to 0. So we have t plus t squared plus t raised to the power of 3 minus. Now we have 39 to be expressed as 27 plus 9 plus what? 3, and this is equals to 0. So we have t plus t squared plus t raised to the power of 3. Now, if we simply open up the brackets by simply multiplying with minus, we have minus 27, minus 9, and minus 3, and this is equals to what? 0. Alright, so rearranging this, we have t minus 3 plus t squared minus 9 plus t cubed minus 27, and this is equals to 0. So from here, we have this to be t minus 3 plus t squared minus 9. 9 can be expressed in terms of 3 as 3 raised to the power of 2 plus t raised to the power of 3 minus 27 can be expressed in terms of 3 as 3 raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 0. So applying this identity that says if we have a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b, and applying this that says if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is equals to a minus b multiply a square plus ab plus what? B square. From here, we have that a is equals to t and b is equals to what? 3. So applying this, that is from this point, we have this to be t minus 3 plus, now in place of t square minus 3 square, we have this to be t plus 3 multiply t minus 3 plus, so applying the identity of the cubic formula, we have this to be t minus 3 multiply t square plus t multiply 3 plus 3 square, and this is equals to 0. So we have this to be t minus 3 plus t plus 3 multiply t minus 3 plus t minus 3 multiply t square plus t multiply 3 is 3t plus 3 square is 9, and this is equals to 0. So if we simply factor out t minus 3, which is a common term, we have t minus 3 into, now if we factor out t minus 3, we have 1 left, plus we factor out t minus 3 from here, we have t plus 3, plus we factor out t minus 3, we have t squared plus 3t minus 9, and this is equals to 0. So from here, we have this to be t minus 3 multiply. Now let's simply arrange this. We have t squared first plus, taking the t, we have t plus 3t plus the digits, we have 1 plus 3, sorry, this is plus 9, and this is equals to what? 0. All right, so we have t minus 3 multiply t squared plus t plus 3t is 4t plus 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 9 is 13, and this is equals to 0. So we have that t minus 3 is equals to 0, and we have t squared plus 4t plus 13 is equals to 0. So we have t is equals to 0 plus 3, and t is equals to 3. So from here, we want to apply the quadratic formula that says t is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divide what? 2a, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to what? 13. So we have t is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of b square is 4 square minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 13, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. So from here, we have that t is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 13. We have this to be 52, divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. We have that t is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 52 will give us minus 36, divide what? 2. we have that c is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 36 can be expressed as 36 multiplying negative 1 divide what 2. But if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So we have this to be c is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 36 multiply the square root of negative 1 divide what 2. But the square root of negative 1 is equals to I, so we have that c is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 36 is c, square root of negative 1 is I, divide what 2. So we have that c is equals to, if you factor out 2, we have minus 2 plus minus 3i, divide what 2. So this we cancel out this, we have that c is equals to what, minus 2 plus minus what, 3i. So from here we know that there is no what, 3 solution. So we want to simply work with the real solution. So for the real solution, we have that c is equals to what, 3. So at this point, we are going to say we have that c is equals to what, 3. So we want to simply recall. Now this part we say suppose that c is equals to 2 raised to the power of m, right? So doing that, we want to recall that c is equals to what, 2 raised to the power of m. So we have that t is equals to 3. So we have 3 is equals to what, 2 raised to the power of m. So I can easily rearrange this to be 2 raised to the power of m is equals to what, 3. So the next thing we want to do is to simply take the logarithm of both sides. So we have this to be log 2 raised to the power of m is equals to what, log 3. Well, from logarithmic property, if we have log a raised to the power of b, this is equals to b log a, right? So we have m log 2 is equals to what, log 3. So divide both sides by log 2 to isolate what, m. We have that this we cancel out this, so m is equals to what, log 3 divide what, log 2. But from logarithmic property, if we have log a divide what, log b, this is equals to log a base b. Okay, so therefore we have that m is equals to what, log 3 base 2, and this becomes the final what, answer. So guys, we have been able to find the value of m right here, but we can easily solve this by simply saying we have that m is equals to what, log 3 divide what, log 2. We have that m is equals to log 3 is given as 0.477 and log 2 is given as 0.301. So m is approximately, if this divide this, we have this to be 1.585, and this is the other value of m. So guys, super easy for you to be able to solve this nice algebra problem. So with this guys, I'll see you in the next video.